Primetime news this evening, a child among 3 dead in Trelawney crash. Bridge linking St. Anne and Clarendon collapses. We explore the impact. And Boston drug vendors in Portland take their plight to the streets.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live both on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys.
And I'm Kelisha Williams. Special welcome to those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. And a little later on, we'll have the Financial Week. Javon, what's coming up?
And of course, in the Financial Week, we're going to be talking about broker-dealers and their importance, especially in markets. I was in Guyana earlier this week, and that was one of the topics discussed. So we'll have that later on in the Financial Week. But to tell us what's to come in sports, Jordan Fort is standing by. Jordan, what's coming up?
Well, Javon, the West Indies have landed in Sri Lanka ahead of the start of their 3-match T20 series, which is on Sunday. A quick turnaround for them, but the coach says he's not too worried. And the Reggae boys, they are on the winning side again. They won 2-0, and they're returning home this evening. I'm going to have the details of that and more in Primetime Sports Friday.
And Javon, we got a little rain today. Romain, can you tell us what's coming up?
We're grateful for that indeed.
Thanks, Felicia. Yes, we did have a trough system, a shallow trough system move through the area. Did bring some shower activity, especially across inland areas and some parts of the west. We're expecting slightly drier conditions tomorrow. We're also expecting the wind speeds to be increasing as we move into the weekend.
Thank you, Romain. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and the weather report and forecast in detail. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how have you been using artificial intelligence, AI, in your professional and personal life? Very
important feedback question being asked. They can't wait to see those responses, and you can share your response online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.